Today I am showing you a very valuable video about the beauty of rural life in Sri Lanka. Simple Sri Lankan village life. The lifestyle in Sri Lanka villages are simple. The people in such villages are less dependent than city folks. Their needs are limited. People are kind and are usually keen to talk to tourists despite language barriers and often invite them home for a cup of tea. Eating simple food in simple rural surroundings has its own flavor. During a countryside tour, you will experience various aspects of village life. You will get to know the locals and discover their lifestyle, their feelings and emotions. You will be fascinated by the daily life of the villagers. To watch videos like this, subscribe to Travel with Lahiru YouTube channel. Watch the video to the end.